Hello. So quickly, before we talk about the membership operator, I want to first talk about the logical operators. The logical operators are used to combine conditional statements. So there are three logical symbols we have in Python. We have the and, the or the not. So the and, the description is that it evaluates to true if the left and the right statements are true. So basically this 4 equals to the result of 2 plus 2 and the 10 greater than or equal to 10 is true if both these conditions are true. Or it results in true if one of the statements is true. So either the statement on the left of the or the statement on the right of the or is true. If either of them is true, then the result is a true. The not reverse the result. Check it out. So for this logical operator, I have this file and I created a variable called check and. So it's checking the result of this on the left and this on the right. Whatever your result is, put it in this variable. For this, I'm going to put this in a bracket so it becomes more readable. So that is the left and this is the right. So this happens if both of them are true, then the result of this check and is true. So 4 is it equals to 2 plus 2? This is true. Is 10 greater than or equals to 10? This is true. So let's print this out and see what it gives us. So this gives me true. So what if I'm saying 4 is not equal to 2 plus 2? What do you think it gives me? This gives me false. So it only results in true if what's on the left and what's on the right is true. So that's the point of using this and. Also, I have this logic here. I created my variable name to be check or. So check what's on the left. Also check what's on the right. If either of them is true, then the result of this expression is true. Is 3 greater than 6? This is obviously false because 3 is not greater than 6. But is 4 greater than 2? So this would give me true. Okay, I did not comment this part. So let me run it again and you see this would give me true. Come here and clear it. So evaluating 3 greater than 6 or 4 greater than 2. So for using or, either of this expression has to be true. But when you're using and, both the expression, they have to be true. The last one is the not. So the not basically just reverses whatever you have. So if your condition is true, then it would give you false. If your condition is false, it would give you true. Check this out. So 4 is equals to 4, obviously. So this should normally give me true, but because I'm doing this not, then it would give me false. Can you see? It gives me false. But if I'm doing 4 is not equals to 2 plus 2, this condition is true, but because of this not, it reverses it. Then it gives me true. So that is how you evaluate the logical operators, and both cases have to be true, what's on the left and what's on the right, or either one of them has to be true and not reverses the result. The next one is the membership operators. So just like the name implies, membership operators are used to test if a sequence is present in an object. Okay, now you have two symbols representing membership operator. The first one is in and the next one is not in. So the in would give you true if that object or if that variable is in the object. So look at this. I have a list of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Is 2 in this list, then this would give me true because obviously 2 is inside this list. But tí 2 bá sí ńbẹ̀, ó máa fún mi ní false. Ewele say not in. 2 not in this list. So money list numbers is 1, 3, 5, 7. 2 is not in this list. So this should give me true. Ejeka yewo ni ibi environment. Again, I have this list of numbers, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Mo fẹ́ wò pé ṣé 2 wà nínú list yìí. Is 2 inside this list? Then that is true. Let's see. So that is true because 2 is in there. Also, I do not have to put this in a variable. I just choose to do it. You can decide to just come here and do this. And remember, from our data type, we represent list by using the square bracket. So we check if 2 is inside this list. Is that the case? Then that's the case. It gives us true. Look at this list of number. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So conditional is 6 inside this list of 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 is not there. So should that give us true or false? What do you think? That should give us false because 6 is not in this. But the condition is saying 6 in this list of numbers. I'm going to comment this. Then I'm going to run this. So check this out. I have this list of number, and inside this list, I'm checking that 8 not in this list of numbers. So this is right. Because the 8 in the new list number is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what do you think this should print? If I do this, this should print 2 because 8 is not there. But imagine I put 8 inside this list. What do you think this should print? Should print false because 8 is in it. But over here I'm saying 8 not in. So if I remove the 8, kill a few I from nature because obviously 8 is not in this list now. In the same case, I can have something like this. List of number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 not in this list. Is that true? So this is false. So basically it's asking, is 4 a member in this list? So 4 is not there. So that's why we're getting false. But what if I remove this not and I put this just in? So obviously 4 is inside this list of numbers. So the result is true. So going over this again, we have the membership operator, in, not in. We have the logical operators, and, or not. You have the comparison operator. It compares if 2 values are the same. What's on the left and what's on the right. Not equal to, we have the greater than, less than, greater than or equal, and you have the less than or equal. So these are comparing. Then you have the assignment operator, which is equal to, which is assigning a value to a variable. I intentionally skipped this one. We would get back to this at a later time. Then we have the arithmetic operators. The arithmetic operators are the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponential. I also intentionally did not talk about this exponential. We are going to come back to this in a later video. Okay, thank you for joining this. Thank you for watching this. Tebani, any question, money comment. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like the videos, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Odabo.